Hi guys, today we are going to prepare warm Ayurvedic spiced apples. This is one of my favorite Ayurvedic breakfasts. These are the ingredients, several spices plus some ghee. First we are going to peel the apples because the skin can cause some gas, we want to avoid that. We are also going to grate the apples. I found that grating them rather than chopping them makes this meal more delicious and easier to prepare. The spices are better absorbed this way, which maximizes flavor. We are adding some ghee, which is going to make this meal very grounding. And then the spices. Ginger is going to help us burn toxins, bring a sense of lightness to the body. Cloves are very aromatic, they are hot and pungent, and they are great to pacify Vata and doshas. We're also adding a little bit of nutmeg, which is an astringent spice. It's hot and it's dry. And cinnamon, of course, that's going to reduce the effect of sugar that's present in the fruit and is going to reduce Vata and Kapha dosha. And then we're going to add the apples. It's very important to know that although this recipe is tridoshic, we want to make it suitable for Pitta dosha because the spices are really heating. So what we're going to do is to reduce the amount of cinnamon and to omit the fresh ginger root, the cloves, and the nutmeg. It is okay to use the cinnamon, the cardamom, and the rose water, of course. We are going to let it cook for 12 minutes. And there you have it, a perfect breakfast to relieve bloating and other digestion issues. Because apples have pectin, a natural occurring substance, then we can promote gut health, control blood sugar, improve heart health, delay the emptying of our stomach, which helps us feel full for longer and facilitates weight loss efforts, and also improve the condition of our hair and our skin just by having this delicious Ayurvedic breakfast. If you found this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and also to my weekly letter, link below. Thank you so much for watching.